Okay, now that we have our project file activated, I'm going to start by doing a practice fillet rectangle, and this will kind of be a class activity, so you'll probably only watching this video if you missed it or if you didn't understand it when we went through it in class. So what I want you guys to do now is click on New, make sure we're in US or English. Always check that first, make sure you know what kind of part you're making. Also check the project file. The AutomoBlocks project file is selected. Double click on standard.ipt. It's got the I in it for inches. And then for this one we're just going to start a sketch on the XY plane. And how I'm going to start this is with a rectangle. So I'm going to select the rectangle tool and I'm going to click at the origin and I'm going to start dragging up. Now this is one way that we haven't done this, or I haven't shown you guys how to do this. In the top it's saying 4.581 inches. We want a rectangle for this activity that's like 2 inches by 1.25 inches. So I'm going to put 2 in and then press tab, and then I'm going to put 1.225 in and press enter, and it's going to give me a rectangle with those dimensions already locked in. Kind of a cool way to skip some steps. We didn't have to go into the dimension tool and all that kind of stuff. So now I'm going to use my fillet tool and I'm going to go around and put some rounded corners on this. The first one we're going to put in is 0.250, so I'm going to put 0.250. That's a 1/4 inch radius, and I just click on both corners and it locks the dimension in there. It shows the tangent symbols. The next one I'm going to put in is 0.75 inches, and do the same thing. Click on one corner or one side of the corner, click on the other side of the corner, and the last one is 0.50. Click on the two lines and it rounds it off for me. You can go ahead and cancel that. It saves it. Go ahead and save this. Go to File, Save As. Yeah, you should just say OK. It's saying you can't save in sketch mode. Click OK. And in our AutomoBlocks folder, we're going to call this Fillet Practice. Go ahead and show this to me in class if you didn't do it with us as a class, just to make sure that you understand what's going on with these fillet things. Alright, that's it for this video.